Hello, everybody, and welcome. My name is Roxana, and today I got this cute, easy to make door wreath, which we are working with today. We are using this item from 99-cent store, which I just drew, any word you want on here. We also got some beautiful pieces of some eucalyptics. We got this cute ribbon. We got a piece of some wiring, which we're going to use with our Caldera. Okay, we got our glue gun, we got our scissors, and our wire cutters. We got some extra glues, and let's get this started. We are working with the grapevine wreath. So first things first, let's get this cutie on here. Okay, where are we going to put this? So you got to do is, I think I'm going to go right here. We're going to get this in here. Look at how easy. Get that wiring. Oh, yeah, get that wiring on there. I got thicker wiring. We'll get this in here like this. Look at, buddy. Just get it. Take it in the bath. Get this wire going on, and look at that. There we go. This is that thicker wiring. There we go. Look at that. How cute is that? See? Kind of crooked there. It looks good, kind of crooked. Okay, now we are going to get our little bow going, okay? Let's get our bow, Dabra. Okay, first things first, we are going to put this wiring in here. Let's get this wiring down. How's everybody doing today? Hey, let's get that smile on. Okay, then we are just going to make a long tail. Not too long, but it's up to you. Right along, yeah. About right there. And then we are going to get our bow dab, and we are just going to make, I think, about three hoops. One. And flip this over here like that. Two. And we're going to get another one. Three. There. And we're going to get one more. We're going to, I think maybe we'll do 5. Yep, I think we're going to do 5, everyone. Uh-oh. We got it now. Then we're just going to take this up like this. And voila, look at that. We got a gorgeous ribbon going on with a tail, everybody. Okay, we're going to get this. Look at that. And we're going to, turn it with the ribbon. And look at that gorgeous little thing we got. Okay. How cute is that? We're going to get this over here. And we're going to twist that up in there. We're going to cut the excess up. Like that. Here we go. Ooh, look at that, everyone. Okay, then we're going to get our little pieces of some eucalyptics. I thought I would take this around at the bottom like this. How's that looking? Play around and see what looks best. I think I got that right there. Okay, then I'm going to put some... Ooh, be careful with this glue gun. I remember I used to burn myself so much. I get... Ooh. And we're going to get this beauty in right here. Let's get... There. How gorgeous is that? Look at that. Ooh. We're going to get this other one. I think we're going to get... about right there. Okay. I'm going to get this guy up in here. Put a little more. Now you could buy these little items in the 99-cent store and get your little chalk pen, write whatever. I think I'm going to do some more videos with these. And there we go, everybody. How gorgeous and cute and easy that was, everybody. Oh, that's so cute. Look at that. Once again, everybody, if you enjoyed my video or, you just got some inspiration, consider pressing the subscribe button and you will be notified of my upcoming videos. And I got a couple more of these front door wreaths, and then we are just going to keep going. Gonna get that 4th of July. Everybody, once again, like and share. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment if any suggestions for me to do, or just say hello. I appreciate you guys, and have a great, wonderful day. From Caldera Creations, thank you.